In this video, I'm going to show you how to select text in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project. To work with text, you need to create it first. Select the Type tool from the left-hand side of your screen, then click anywhere on your canvas and start typing your text. Once your text is created, it will appear as a separate text layer in the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. If your goal is to select the text as a layer so you can move it around, you can do this in two ways. You can either click on the text layer directly in the Layers panel, or click on the text itself on the canvas if Auto Select is enabled. After selecting it, you can use the Move tool from the left toolbar to reposition it anywhere on your canvas. Now, if you want to select and highlight the text for editing, the process is slightly different. First, make sure you are using the Type tool or switch to it when needed. Then, double-click directly on the text on your canvas, and it will become fully highlighted so you can edit it. Another way is to go to the Layers panel and double-click on the T thumbnail of your text layer, which will also highlight the text. If you only want to edit a specific part of the text, you can click and drag across that portion to highlight it, then delete or replace it with new text. It is important to understand the difference between these tools. When you want to move the text, you should use the Move tool. When you want to edit or highlight the text, you should use the Type tool and double-click to access the text content. Keeping this distinction in mind will help you work more efficiently without confusion, and this is how you can select text in Photopea.